Hello everyone. Welcome to Know About PPC YouTube channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: how to set up GA4 events in GTM and track GA4 conversion using Google Tag Manager. So if you're ready to try out the new era of GA4 events in Google Tag Manager, let's get started. Before we get started, let's briefly understand GA4 events. GA4 events refer to the event tracking capabilities of Google Analytics 4, GA4, which is the latest version of Google's web analytics platform. These events capture various activities like clicks, form submission, downloads, scroll down on web pages, and more. Let's walk through a few examples on my website. Here you can see buttons, forms, scroll down options, links, video engagement, and so on. These are the ones that we are going to track as events. So now, let's start with form submission tracking using Google Tag Manager. We will cover remaining button clicks, link clicks, scroll down tracking, video engagement, etc. in the upcoming videos. Here are the type of events for GA4. Let's check one by one. Before that, I hope that you have already installed or migrated to Google Analytics 4. If you haven't done yet, click on the link above or check the description below where I've shared the link. Now, click Events. Automatically created events are collected by Google Analytics as default automatically when you set up the Google Site tag code on your website, like page views, session start, first visit, form start, and so on. Enhanced measurement events are also additional ones that automatically collect from websites when you only enabled these measurement events within Google Analytics, like scrolls, outbound clicks, video engagement, and so on. To find enhanced measurement, go to Admin on your Google Analytics. Click Data Streams. Then click your website data stream. Enable this enhanced measurement section, and you can see what kind of events will track automatically when you are enabled. Click Settings icon. Here you can see the events. If you want to disable this, you can disable this feature altogether by clicking the toggle off, or you can disable it one by one as your wish. We will walk through these in detail in a separate video. Recommended events will not be automatically tracked by Google Analytics, but some predefined names and parameters are recommended by Google in all business verticals. We can use this based on our trigger types. Custom events are only to create custom events when you have no other event option that works for your use case. It's a manual thing. To check the events, go to Reports, then click Engagement, and click Events. Here you will see certain data events. Please note, if you want to see data in the interface on several places like this, keep in mind, when you start sending events to GA4, it would take up to 24 hours to display that data in the actual interface. Meanwhile, we can check in real-time overview, or use debug view to check the data. Here we are going to use recommended events or custom events to set up website conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager, since automatically created and enhanced measurement events is automated. Before to create event tag, you need to configure Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. I already did that. But if you are new, go to Tags and click Tag Configuration. Click Google Analytics GA4 Configuration. Then give Measurement ID from Google Analytics. Then click Trigger and choose All Pages. And name this tag as GA4 Configuration. And then save it. Alright, we have successfully configured GA4 with Google Tag Manager. Now we are going to set up GA4 conversion tracking using the GA4 event tag. To do that, we need a separate thank you page like this. It should be redirected once the user filled out the form. Okay, let's add new form tag. Go to Tags. Click New. And click Tag Configuration. Now we should choose Google Analytics GA4 event. Select GA configuration tag which we created now. Fill out the event name. Either you can use recommended events or custom events. Now I will name this form_lead as the event name. Then click Trigger Note. Since we are going to track a single thank you page, click plus sign on top right. Now click Trigger Configuration. And then choose Page View. And select some page views. Select Page URL on the drop-down. Contains. Copy and paste our URL here. Name this as Thank You Trigger. Then save it. Name the tag configuration as Form Lead. Click Save. Once you have done all this, do not forget to publish the container. Click Submit on top right. Click to publish all workspace changes. Click Continue. Alright, now I've successfully set up conversion tracking configuration using a Google Tag Manager. Now let's test our configuration. Click Preview. And we should provide the web page URL here, and click Connect to test our tag configuration. Now, Tag Assistance is connected. Let's go to the contact page and fill out the form. Then click Submit. And it will be redirected to Thank You page. Let's go to the Tag Assistant. And here we go. My tags which we created is fired properly, which means we have set this up correctly. Let's double check both GA4 and form tags. Now if you want to check event tags in real time, go to Reports. Click Real Time. Here you can see our form leads event which we created in GTM. Double check the page location. So now everything is fine. Our thank you page is properly tracking through GTM. Now, one more step is yet to add, that's mark our event as conversion. Let's copy this event name. Go to Settings. Click Conversions. Click New Conversion Event. Paste our event name here. Then save it. Now, we have successfully marked our event name as conversion. Alright, finally, we have set up the event and GA4 conversion tracking correctly using Google Tag Manager. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Please like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.